example, you will see the creation of a colorful abstract artwork with 10% of vitrail color used in the resin to tint it. To create this artwork, the artist used Pebeo crystal resin in combination with some vitrail colors. First of all, she mixed 2 parts resin to 1 part hardener for this 2-component epoxy resin system. It is very important to always stir the mixture thoroughly prior to application to ensure maximum results and effects. Once the mixture is completely homogeneous, she pours into 4 different glasses before adding some vitrail colors to it. As you can see, the artist starts by adding lemon vitrail color to the resin to tint it. Always stir the resin thoroughly until homogeneous. The artist is doing the same thing in the other glasses to obtain 4 different colors. Now the pouring part. The artist started to pour yellow tinted resin directly from the glasses over the piece. She adds the other tinted resins over it to create colorful resin artwork. For the final touch, she mixed the tinted resin with one another with a popsicle stick for a dynamic effect. Here you can admire an example of a beautiful piece made with Pebeo crystal resin. See how vivid the colors are when tinted with vitrail colors.